Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the March cumulative update stuck downloading issue in Windows 11. First, open the Settings app on your computer. Go to System, then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. After that, open Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, and click Run. This tool will scan your system and automatically fix any problems that may be stopping the update from downloading. Wait for the process to complete and follow any instructions on your screen. If the issue is still there, restart your PC. This helps clear temporary system glitches that can block updates. Once your system restarts, go back to Windows Update and check if the download continues. Next, try pausing and resuming updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Pause Updates for 1 week. Wait a few seconds, then click Resume Updates. This refreshes the update process and can fix stuck downloads. You can also disconnect any unnecessary external devices. Unplug USB drives, printers, or other accessories connected to your PC. These devices can sometimes interfere with updates. If the problem is not fixed yet, you can install the update manually. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for the KB number of the update. Download the correct version for your system and run the file to install it manually. This method bypasses the automatic download and installs the update directly. Thanks for watching.